you know.
We need one condemned tire. We need one condemned tire. We want use and pour one thief. Nah. What thief?
Chief.
Yes.
They're going now.
Hey. You don't want to call me. Hey. Huh? What are they doing with that?
They won't go carry the tire, boy chief. For this whole police thief with the warrior. And if you go carry them, go arrest them, give station. Then go tell you say no. Before you know they go punch you, say now you carry the police for call. Make them go bind down.
Wait, they want to burn a human being.
They won't burn a human being.
Where?
For that market. Make them go bind down. Give me my money, make Can't give me my money. Okay, can't give me my money now. Can't give me money, make I go.
Please don't do that.
You good? Sure, okay. What's wrong with that? Yeah, hello?
What's going on, man? Are you good? Hey, hello? Hey! Stop!
Have you seen what you caused? Have you seen it? I asked you not to go there, and you went there. Why are you this stubborn? They would have burnt you alive. Jesus. Look at what you've done to yourself. You have been burnt alive now. Girl you know nothing about. You went and put your life on risk. understand. I just don't understand this whole thing. Just be going. Take her to the hospital. What were you thinking?
What is it?
What is
What is it? Huh?
Who is after you?
it? My eyes are seeing shame today.
What is the problem? Huh?
Nani,
You like too much suspense. Open up!
Nani, Hey,
Huh?
your brother's daughter
Huh?
is about to be set on fire in the market.
What kind of evil news is that? Huh? What kind of bad news is that?
They were already putting tires on her neck when I ran out. I didn't want to see her burn.
Hey!
Hey,
Hey! This girl. These people have finally brought shame to this family. Hey! Hey, what do I do now?
Now
Do I go there?
Nani, you see what I've always told you. You see what I've always told you to do something about this. But you always remember your brother did this to you, but your brother did not do this to you. Now see the shame they've brought to this family. And mind you now, your brothers are not here to partake in this shame. This shame is for both of us. This shame is for me and you. Few moments from now, my husband, people will start trooping in to commiserate with you. And do well to tell them that everything that concerns your brother's children is none of your business. Oh? And I am sure they will give you more chieftaincy titles. Oh? Okoma.
Are you not blaming me? Eh? Am I the cause of the problem?
No, sir.
Huh?
You're not the cause of any problem at all. You're not the cause. But this shame is for you. Nani, you will take this shame. This shame.
What do I do now? Come and lead me to that place now. Eh?
Breaking news.
Criminals ready to be set ablaze. Ablaze na to bomb person now. Yeah. No be. Hey! Madam, need to see this. Madam. Oh. Hey!
Akara sago. Hey! I've been talking before.
Why are you shouting? What happened?
Okay, I'm shouting. Make you never say I'm tell you because even though I tell you, you're not going to still believe me. Take a look. See to yourself, oh! Hey!
What?
Is
My son!
your son? Madam! Honey! She's not dead, die. Sorry, faint on her own. I don't talk about it. Or the one they look like that, I don't talk about that.
Rufus!
They look like that, I don't talk about that. I don't touch her. Why they look like that? I don't touch her. What's that? Honey?
Rufus! Did you meet her like this?
Eh?
You beat her like this?
She just died. Sorry, faint. I don't touch her. To God, I don't touch her. Honey! Honey!
Have you heard from him?
Honey, please, do not bother yourself so much, okay? Information reaching me from the authorities say that Churchill is fine. Churchill is fine, okay?
Oh, they have killed my son. They have killed him. Oh.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Churchill is fine, okay? Please be positive, okay? Be positive. Our son is fine.
That's my son's car. I hope he's fine.
He's fine. Honey, wait, relax yourself, okay? He's coming in.
Don't worry.
He will come in. Honey, wait.
With blood stains on your body. Eh? What happened?
I ran into a problem.
You ran into a problem. Did I not tell you not to step an inch from this house today? Why is it that you no longer listen to me?
Because I'm tired. I am not your houseboy. I am not a kid that you order around.
Churchill, don't talk to your mother like that.
Imagine.
Then you tell my mother that I am now a man. I am not that Churchill she used to know. I am tired.
Blood, though, make I. Sir, okay? Make we carry and go hospital, though. Make we carry and go hospital. Now, blood be this. Yeah? Madam, hospital now they talk. Oh. Blood, oh, all over. Okay, I have hot water. Let me boil hot water. Yeah.
Never again will someone control my life. Oh, I wanna live my life, the way I want. Let nobody else tell me what to do. I wanna live my life, the way I want. I'm a man now. I will take my own decisions. Mama, let me live my life and do the things I want, and be with who I care for, and make my own decisions. Mama, let me live my life. I'm no longer.
Please, Sandra, wait. There's something I heard that I want to ask you.
What is it? How may I help you?
Is it true that your friend almost got burnt in the market today?
Your cousin, you mean?
Whatever. But is it true?
Look, Uchechi, or whatever you call yourself, let this be the very last time you ask me such a stupid question. Don't try it again, though. Do you understand what I just said?
Sorry. You know, I don't see anything wrong with asking someone about her friend. There's absolutely nothing
There is everything wrong with what you just asked me. And for the last time, don't stop me on the road to ask me such a very stupid question. What kind of nonsense is that?
But is it true? Was she
My friend, will you get out from here? Embarrassing yourself.
It's not bad.
Hey, don't ask me.
But was she almost burnt?
You're stupid. Ask your father.
Hey! If she was almost burnt, please help me say sorry to her. Don't forget, oh. Sorry, just sorry. Oh, one name. Thank you. Mommy. My darling.
Finally, my son is about to make me a proud mother again. Onye kambuzi.
Mama, what is it? This one you're feeling so excited this evening.
Your brother just called that he wants you to come and stay with him in Abuja.
My brother called? For what? What do I want to do in Abuja? I don't understand, Mama.
No, you're going to be dancing Awilo dance is very scarce in Abuja. To go and better this your life. Nah, Jom.
Mama. Hey, So who is going to be staying with you in this house? You want to stay alone?
As if she cares. The same me you live in this house and be jumping up and down with that criminal. I have all of a sudden become a baby to care for. Or you think I'm too old to live alone in this house?
Mama, can you just hear yourself? No, just replay what you just said. Hear yourself. How does it sound to you? I know it's because of Tonya that you want me to leave this village. It's very obvious.
Isn't that enough reason? Isn't that enough reason? Just look at you. That girl has done so much harm on you. She's a bad influence on you. Have you forgotten it was because of her that Ebuka left you? Everybody sees you as a criminal and you know what that means.
I know what that means. That means I will not be able to get a husband in this village. And it means that I am going to be a suspect.
So you know.
Mama, please. At this time, I cannot despise the girl that assisted me through school. I can't. She never asked me for a refund.
There she go again. Look my 9 months. Come, are you the first person that someone saw through school? So because she saw you through school, you want to die? How many of your mates will even disappoint their boyfriend or disappoint or divorce their husband after seeing them through school? Oh, you want to die because they saw you through school where? This girl has tarnished your image and the image of this family. And I want you to quit every relationship you have with her here and now. Or be ready to go to Abuja.
Mama, for your information, I have no acquaintance with that girl. Please. And I cannot forsake her at this point. Yes, I can't forsake her. Whatever you want to do, you can talk to my brother or whatever he is, that I am not going to come to Abuja. It's not going to be possible. I need to focus on my job at the local government secretariat. That's what I'm going to do. Mama, what is it now? Mama, what is it? Oh. Every time, Tonya. Can't I have peace in this house? I
beg. This is not ordinary. Uzoma and her criminal daughter has influenced my daughter wrongly. They've turned her head. A relationship of how many years was just ended in a twinkling of an eye because of this same criminal of a friend. Ebuka Balaga Anukwagi because of Tonya, and you still don't want to hear what?
Tonya, look at what you're doing to yourself. Look at your body. Do you like this? Do you like the way you are looking? This is not the life I wanted for you as my daughter. I wanted a beautiful life for you. A life you will grow, get married, live your life in this country, outside this country. What happened to your sense of shame? Don't you feel this heaviness on your conscience? Anytime you try to do this, they always cut you. What happened to your sense of shame and dignity? My daughter has grown up to fear people's properties. You want to take everything you see. Even if somebody drops his or her life on the wall, on the earth, anywhere, you will grab it and run away. All in the name of stealing. Look at your body. Hi! God,
Well, what do you want? You get what I want to tell you. You understand me? I don't know what I make I talk about. But I have to. You understand me?
Look, I am not in the mood for this. I just want to be left alone, please.
No, you have to hear me out first now. I have to tell you this thing. It's very important too.
Why do you think I have to hear you out?
Morga, you see that way? You see the way you take save that girl? Like superhero. It was so much emotional. You need to see me. I wanted to cry. Tears wanted to flow. But I have to hold myself as a man. Morga, when I grow up, I want to be like you.
Thank you.
Morga. Hey, you got another thing I want to tell you. I don't know whether, but I have to say it. No verse, so you don't say me, you know, consign me. I'm not supposed to talk. Something, but I have to. Morga, the way you talk to your mother, the way you spoke to your mother, it was not really nice.
Why did you say so?
Why I said so was because you need to see the way she reacted. She fainted, in fact. Immediately I showed her your picture where you are about to get killed. She nearly died though. In fact, she collapsed.
Really?
She nearly died. But me, Rufus, what is my own?
Okay, thank you. You can go back to your duty post.
Yeah. Morga, my superhero. Superhero. Morga. Look, see, this how they. You know, say no, the two smoke and finish. Just throw away that place, you throw away fire. But still finish up for you. My superhero. Morga, I too like you. My next walk, I must work for you. Morga.
Mom, please. I don't have strength for this. Kindly leave my way. I need to leave.
I said you are going nowhere. Just imagine. Look at what happened the other day. They nearly killed you. What would I have told Maichi had it been they succeeded? Now you want to go out again? Mbano. You are only one. Nana is one. And you're dole happy. Go and rest, Biko.
Oh, what is this now? Mama, are you not tired and old for this? It's not high time you stopped. Why are you always checkmating my movement for crying out loud?
I have the right to checkmate your movement. You are my son.
Please, I need to leave now.
You have to push and beat me before you leave.
Oh my God.
Churchill! Oh yeah. Ngwan, beat me! Beat me! Ngwano! Beat me! You are going nowhere.
You are happy like this. You are sorry. Are you really sorry in your mind? You're sorry. When you show my repentance. Mama, good morning. Good morning. You have seen me now. Your friend has done it. But this time, terribly.
I'm sorry. Mama, you know it's not her fault now.
It's not her fault. So who sent her to go and take what does not belong to her? What does she lack? Ask her. What is it that I don't provide for? I practically provide it into her bad. Yes, she will go and steal.
Hey. Mama, this case is very spiritual. In fact, it's beyond the ordinary. I think she's under an influence. Something keeps dragging me. Something keeps pushing me to go and steal.
Something keeps pushing her. Did you hear her? And that is what has been deceiving her. I don't know what I'm doing, but when she sees that, she will go and pick it. Oh no, she. Tell her to stop. Oh. She wants this whole hospital to hear my voice. I know how she has been stealing all over the time. And all over the town. Just stop. Oh no, she.
My mom is just a thorn in my flesh. I can't deal.
I don't get it.
That woman wants to take all the decisions for me. She wants to decide where I'm going, where I'm not supposed to go, what I'm supposed to eat, what I'm not. What, in fact, it's tiring. What I'm supposed to wear. Everything about my life, she decides it for me.
At this age, you're still complaining about your mother being a thorn to your flesh. Can you hear yourself? No, can you hear yourself?
Honestly, you won't understand. You will not understand.
But do you know why all this is happening?
Why?
It's because you're living below whom you are. That you're not comfortable with the whole situation is because you are where you ought not to be.
And what's that supposed to mean?
I grew up correcting all the mistakes my parents pushed me into. It wasn't easy, but I had to move on. Right? Now, my mother did everything possible to bring me back to this country. I refused until I found my feet. Here am I today, building my house. You know what? Even when I go back and return, I will only go say hi to them. And then I move on. That is the only way they will understand that I am no longer that little boy they used to know. That's it.
You have a point, though.
Now listen, if I finish building my house, I'll be going back to London. Hustling continues. You have a lot of advantage here, okay? You have houses, you have a car, you have a whole lot of money in your account to start up a business, even if you do not want to continue with what you read in school. Even if you don't want to use your certificates, you can dump them and do business. I bet you'll still do well.
Don't worry, I'm going to come much later for you to put me through in some business strategies and all.
It's okay, let's just go. All right.
This is my life, and I'm in charge. Never again will someone tell me what to do.
Please, you have to stop doing this to yourself, please. The doctor said you're going to be fine.
I don't want to be fine. Sandra, I don't want to be fine. I don't want to be fine. I'm tired of this. It's okay. I can feel your pain. You don't know how I feel. Don't tell me you know how I feel. Don't tell me. Agwanam, don't tell me. You know how I feel. You don't know how I feel.
Yourself. It's okay now.
Now you want to watch yourself? It's okay, calm down. Put this, sir.
Good day. How is she faring?
She's getting better.
I'm not getting better.
Sir, please sit down.
I don't want to get better. I don't want to get better.
Why? You need to be fine. You're going to be fine. Okay? Just calm down.
Why is she sounding like
Don't, please. I don't want to leave this place.
She has been going through a lot, and I don't know, even before the accident, a lot has been happening to her.
I thought as much because the first day I saw her, she wasn't looking all okay. I think something is really bothering her.
I'm tired.
Where's her mother?
She has gone to the house.
I'm tired.
Please, can I talk to you?
So, stop crying.
Somebody help me. Somebody help me.
I don't want to leave this place. I don't want to leave this place.
Relax, okay?
It's like a great force. It's pushing me to do what I don't want to do.
She your sister?
No, she's just my friend.
Friend to a criminal?
She was not a criminal. She's my best friend. She just, I don't know, she just all of a sudden changed. She had stood by me when things were very hard for me. I don't know. I really don't know what's happening. I'm confused.
It's okay. So, what happened? Why did she suddenly change from who you used to know to this?
I really don't know. I don't know why the sudden change. She keeps telling me that something keeps pushing her to steal. Even to go as far as stealing what is not necessary. Things like car keys, house keys, I don't know. She keeps stealing. I don't know, I'm confused.
Could this be a symptom of kleptomania?
I really don't know. This is beyond me.
Well, it's okay. My friend and I will see what we can do for her, right?
All right.
Here's my card. Please do not hesitate to call on me whenever you need us. All right?
Yeah, I will.
It's okay.
Thank you. Let me go and check on my friend. Thank you.
I think she's responding to treatments. She's getting better.
Well, doctor, I understand she exhibits symptom of kleptomania. Please, I would want her to be under a psychological watch, if possible.
Okay, that means a specialist needs to be consulted for that. So if that's what you want, then, but it's going to cost you more money because we don't have a specialist here. So we have to fly in one.
No, that's not a problem. If possible, let's get started immediately.
Okay, then I'll start the process immediately.
All right. Thank you.
Sandra could be right after all. My well-trained children turned criminals and robbers overnight. This is far from being normal. It is obvious that karma had come calling. Oh, had I known. What are you doing this morning? I told you to clean this house first thing in the morning. So I'll be expecting some important guests. What are you doing?
Sorry, Mom. I went to bed late last night. I was busy.
Shut up. Are you mad? I talk, you talk? Are we mates? Listen, you fool. The next time you fail to take my orders, I will kick you out of my house.
Mom, sorry.
Sorry for your miserable life. Idiot. I am giving you 1 minute to clean and mop this living room. If I come out, you're not done. Consider your stay in this house over and done with. Idiot. Loser. Failure. Bah! I'm not being off here.
Yes, Mom.
What are you doing here?
I'm eating.
You're eating. Whose food? I asked you to go supply 10 cartons of goods to customers and you're here eating your life away.
Since I came back from church, I've been very busy. So, work,
What are you here for? To eat to death or to do business? To do business and you're eating my food. Are you mad? Are you mad? You're even eating my chicken. Who gave you my chicken? Eh? There will be no food for you today. I mean, the whole of today. If I come back here and see you seated here, you see the bitter side of me. Idiot. Look at you, you even brought cold water. In your village, have you ever seen cold water? Now I want to eat. I've not eaten. Scary. Scary. The things I did for no reason. Wickedness engulfed my mind. I wish I knew tomorrow is far from yesterday. Please, Lord, have mercy on me. Don't let my mistake consume me.
Run. Lock the door. Make sure you lock the door. Go inside. What is that? Hey, stand. He asked you to sit.
Okay. So whose son was that?
Have I not told you to stop coming to my house? What are you doing here?
No, I really need to understand the reason you lied that you aborted our child, whereas you had the baby. Why?
Our child.
Oh, yes.
As in you and I. Point of correction. That boy you saw there is not your son. So start going and don't come back.
Why are you lying to me? That's what I really need to understand. Why? What do you stand to gain with this?
I said he is not your son!
The other day I overheard children abusing him, calling him fatherless. If he is not my son, then whose son is he?
I don't owe you any explanation.
Of course you owe me explanation because we had something in common. So you tell me the truth. Whose son is he?
We had something in common.
Oh, yes.
That was in the past. In the past. Please, Churchill, start going. You better start leaving. Okay? The next time I see you in my compound, I'll call the police on you.
Just tell me the truth. Whose son is he?
Churchill!
This is my life, and I'm in charge. Never again will someone tell me what to do. Yeah, I wanna know my rights and take my decisions. Never again will someone control my life. Oh, I wanna live my life the way I want. Let nobody else tell me what to do.
Mom, who is that man?
He's a nobody.
Mom, but I heard you say he's my father.
I just said he is nobody.
Okay.
Hold your ears. I don't know him. You don't know him. Can you hear me?
Yes.
And let me not hear you say that again from your mouth.
Okay.
Inside. Fast!
This is my life, and I'm in charge. Never again will someone tell me what to do. Yeah, I wanna know my rights and take my decisions. Never again will someone control my life. Oh, I wanna live my life the way I want.
So how is she? She's fine now. I think she's good to go. The therapist is already contacted. So you guys can take it up from there. But for now, she's okay.
What do you mean by taking it up from there?
The therapist will soon be in town. So I think as soon as he gets here, we will now have to consult him on the issue of the kleptomania. And he can handle that better. He's a specialist in that than I am.
Oh, okay.
All right.
More like it.
Okay, that's better. So they will give you the bills and clear the bills, and that will be all.
Okay, all right.
You're going to be fine. Let me help you massage your legs. Sorry. Welcome.
Thank you.
Please sit down.
Oh.
You can sit down.
How are you feeling?
I'm not fine.
The doctor said you're good to go now. He said you're going to be discharged today.
No, please. I don't want to go. I don't want to live here. I don't want to live here.
It's okay. I understand how you feel. I know you're afraid that you may be abandoned. after taking you away from here. But not to worry, your treatment continues even after leaving here.
You don't understand. I don't want to leave here.
Look, I understand your fear, right? But you have nothing to worry about. We'll make sure we take very good care of you and you're safe. Okay?
It's okay, Tonya.
I don't understand. I don't want to leave.
Don't worry. Just relax your mind. You're going to live here. You're going to be fine, please. I already promised that once you're fine, we're living here. Please, nothing's going to happen to you.
Good day, madam.
Good day, police.
Yeah. Where is your daughter?
I'm sorry, officer. She's in the hospital. She's not feeling well. They gave her a lot of injuries on her body. She's in the hospital. Please, now. No, go. I will bring her to the station. Where is your station? Let me bring... Hey, officers. Come now, they're not taking you. I'm here. I'm not taking you.
Young lady, you're under arrest. And you have every possible right to remain silent. For whatever action you put now will be used against you in the court of law. Let's go.
No, officer, please. This lady just got back from the hospital. All she needs now is rest. Yes. Please. I promise if there's any problem, I'll bring her over to the station much later. But right now, she needs rest. Please.
So you are the one to give me order now? Huh? The order is from above.
No, it's not like I'm teaching you your job. I'm only saying let's
go.
Give her some time.
I'll go with you. Don't worry.
I've respected you enough. Let's go.
I'm taking her myself.
I say move.
She's moving.
Whatever you have to say. I say move.
Cause I don't know what is wrong with me. Hey, God knows I'm not a thief. God knows I'm not a criminal. Man, am I me fene memo? Am I me fene memo?
Somebody. What are you doing? We have to wait. Listen. But I called you. You told me you guys are going to fill up this thing. Then we know that he's remaining the scaffolding. We are doing it already. That's why I see. Come, let me show you. Come.
Good day, sir. Good day.
Okay. How are you?
I'm fine.
And where are you coming from?
I'm just closing from work.
Work? So where do you work?
I am a staff at the local government secretariat.
Really?
Yes.
Wait a minute. You mean you're a graduate? And so what are you doing with that kind of person as a friend?
A lot of people ask me that all the time.
Well, I'm sorry, but don't you think having such person as a friend will call for a negative thought about you?
When people favor you so much that you can't just leave them, would you suddenly turn your back against them when things go wrong?
Well, no. Why do you ask?
That's the reason I can't leave her this time. She wasn't like this before. The only thing that will make me leave her is when this is unbearable. She favored me in the past, but I have to return back the favor. I'll do anything it takes to return it back.
I understand. And that's quite nice of you. Honestly, I marvel at your words. There's only a few persons that can do this for a friend. I'm happy. I wish I can have a friend like you.
Just have a good heart. That's all it took her to become my friend.
And what if I told you I have a good heart? Will you oblige me?
Let's see how it goes.
All right.
Bye.
So, engineer, like I say, this whole thing is taking too long. Because it's taking too long. What more we talking about? I don't have the time. But my problem is, I don't have time. I came back because of... Are you still drinking? You see, a man needs to take a few liquid of alcohol and be fine. My father told me that the only time a man needs to be drunk is when you have a newborn baby. Do you have one?
I drink whenever I'm angry.
You have no reason to be angry. You know why? You're a good-looking young man. You're rich. You have good money in your account. And you're a son of a rich man. Sometimes I wish I am you.
You lie. I'm the one wishing to be you. You have also everything you're looking for. You are made, you are established.
Well, on a serious note, I think you have to stop seeing that girl. Yes. You have done enough to help her. You can be sending her money. You know, instead of going to their house every day and disturbing her. It doesn't make sense.
How is it disturbing?
I wish you understand the angle I'm coming from.
Thank God I don't understand where you're coming from. You see, my mission is to take away that spirit of kleptomania from that girl's mind. I can't stop now. I've gone too far to stop. I feel like if I end it now, she's going to definitely go back to what I've been fighting for, and that will make my labor in vain. So I can't stop now. I'm sorry.
I understand what you're saying, but are you aware that it will take a long time to get here?
I don't care. I'm not in a rush. Whatever it takes to stop her from that, I'm ready. I'm out for it.
Tell me, are you falling for her?
Isn't she beautiful?
Oh, very well then. Very well then. You need to be careful. You need to watch before you fall. As a matter of fact, Sandra told me something about her. So I think you need to see Sandra. Right?
I'm a man now. I will take my own decisions. Mama, let me live.
Oga?
Yeah, what's up?
Welcome, oh. Oga, there's a problem. Serious problem, oh. There is fire on the mountain. In fact, if you don't do something now, the fire go burn.
Did anything happen to my parents?
Holy Ghost fire, Holy Ghost fire, Holy Ghost fire, Holy Ghost fire, Holy Ghost fire. God forbid, Holy Ghost fire. Okay? How you go talk something like that? Your parents, especially your father, will not die. God forbid, until you fulfill the promise you made to me. Oh. If you won't come die, may you go die. But if you don't say he die now, I'll go resurrect him. Until he build the house where he won't be for me.
God forbid, nothing will happen to him. So what is it?
Now your brother. Your brother just come, they boil. I thought I say, okay, why you they boil? He continued boiling. He was boiling. You understand me?
So what is the problem? Why is it boiling like you said? What's the issue?
Now the same question why I ask myself, oh, because if I say there is an issue, I will be wrong. If I still say there is issue, I will still be wrong. You understand me? If I even say there is issue or there is no issue, I will also still be wrong. You understand me? But I'm trying to know if there is an issue or if there is issue already. I will also be wrong. You understand me?
I will advise when you're smoking pot, try and remove the seed.
Okay, I know say you teach me how to smoke. Now we. Okay, now, don't worry. If you remember something, I can't take go. Because me, I never did something today.